I'm going to show you an example of what alpha lock does, or transparency pixel lock. It's a mouthful here. So if I wanted to make this like add like a gradient or like something simple, let me see, something like a different color, right? Let me pick my thing and I'll pick a different color. Let's pick green. I don't know. And I wanted to add like another color, and I don't know why it turned white. It was supposed to be green. Turn green for me. Thank you. Okay, and then see how it doesn't go outside of the box. So it will stay within the box because it's working where that color layer is working at. So it's great for if you're using it for one layer and you don't plan to make a lot of changes and stuff like that.